Hey guys, this is Chris from GuitArmy, and I just wanted to take a minute and tell you about my membership here on YouTube. I created this membership as a way for my followers to get instant, quick access to the guitar tabs and charts I create for my lessons. That means when I release a new riff video, lick video, or guitar lesson, you can go right into your membership area and download the tabs and charts immediately. In addition to that, I'll be posting exclusive photos and updates on what I've been working on. Plus, you'll get a special loyalty badge next to your username and member shoutouts in my lesson videos. But that's not all. I'm also offering a new membership level that gives you access to my GuitArmy All Access membership. This means you'll unlock all 19 courses I've created, covering a wide variety of beginner and intermediate skills, so you can take your playing to the next level. You'll also get access to an awesome community of guitar players where you can connect, ask questions, and share your progress. Plus, as an all-access member, you'll receive free private mini lessons to help you get personalized feedback and improve even faster. I hope you'll consider joining my YouTube membership, and I can't wait to help you become a better guitar player. See you inside.